Hi my sweet people, today's video is on this pure mini matcha cake, and if you want to know how I made this, then just keep on watching.
Head on the table, she's feeling tired.
First needed for this cake will be flour, matcha powder, maple syrup, milk, baking powder, salt, coconut oil and eggs. You can grab your mixing bowl and add in your flour, and then you can add in your salt. Next, you can add in your milk. So I'm just using regular milk, but you can use almond milk. And then you can add in your coconut oil and also your maple syrup. I'm just dumping all the ingredients together, so just add in your matcha powder, then you can add in your eggs, and then you can put in your baking powder, and then you can mix together. Okay, so something about me is I used to hate matcha when I was, previously before this. So I think since young until recently, I used to hate matcha, and I don't know why. Maybe because of its bitter taste. But recently, I started loving matcha quite a bit. So actually, I'm just trying out this cake because I've never really tried a matcha cake before, and then I thought, why not? And also, this is a mini cake, and it's a healthy version because this cake is actually not sweet. So if you actually want it to be sweeter, I would recommend adding more maple syrup, or like what I did, I actually, after baking, I added in the maple syrup on top of the cake itself. So I just drenched the maple syrup on top. Yeah, so I mean, it's up to you. If you want it to be healthier, then you don't need to add in that much sugar, or you can add in sugar if you want. Once you've mixed everything together, you can prepare your pan. So I don't have a circular pan which is small enough, to bake it. So this itself is a bit big. But yeah, using it in a circular pan, it actually looks much more nicer. And yeah, I mean, up to you. You want to bake in a regular pan, a rectangular or square or circle, up to you. So I'm just using a rectangular one here. It's a small one. So just add in your batter, and then you can prepare to bake. Bake it at 325 for around 45 to 55 minutes, and then once that's done, you can remove from the oven and allow it to cool. Then like this, you see over here, I'm actually just adding some icing sugar on the top, and if you want to get more, and then, or like what I mentioned earlier, you can add the maple syrup on top, and any other toppings you want, and the cake is fine. So actually I really loved it after it baked finish. So it's really nice, and it was super healthy kind of, because it's not sweet at all. So it's not for you if you are a sweet person, because this really is not sweet at all. So this is more like for healthy people who want to try out recipes that watching their weight kind of, which is now what I'm doing. And that's the end of my video, guys. Really hope you like the recipe. If you want, definitely try and let me know. So thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, hey, look.